This is Reus, Spain. Hi, I am Daddy Owen and I am in Reus, Spain. And I'm here in Avenida de Jaume I, Jaume I. And this is the street. And this part of Reus is something similar to the part of Bonavista. And today it's raining, and as you can see it's still dark and the street is wet, and I'm in the balcony of our accommodation. We are in front of this kebab store, and yeah, I don't know if we can go out today